start the 7th lesson of Standard 2. What is the name of the lesson? All of you know. All of you open your book. The name of the lesson is Keeping Healthy. Yes, keeping healthy. We all want to be healthy, isn't it? We all want to be healthy. We all want to be fit. Yes. So how it is possible? Today we will learn about the thing. The all process we will learn. First thing, healthy you want to be, but do you know what is the healthy position? Which one is called? So if you will become fat, is it healthy? No, it is not healthy. The healthy means the well-being state. Yes, well-being and absence of diseases. Yes, health is a state of well-being and absence of diseases. That one is called what? That one is called the healthy. Is it clear? Next, how can you be healthy? So, to become healthy, you must need food. You must take care of our body to become healthy and strong also, because whenever you eat food, whenever we eat the food on that time, we are getting energy. We get energy from the food, and that energy is being utilized in which work? Whenever we are playing, we are exercising, we are doing any work, we are singing song. So these things we are doing, and we should eat healthy food, exercise daily. Definitely you have to do exercise daily, otherwise you won't become healthy. Next, you have to wear the clean clothes. Yes, wearing the clean clothes is not good thing. You have to be clean also. It's not like that you, without having bath, you wear one very clean shirt. It is not good thing. You also have to be clean. How it is possible? You have to take bath. Yes, daily you have to take bath. If possible, 2 times. Otherwise, if not possible, compulsory 1 time you have to bath. You have to take bath. Otherwise, you won't be clean. And one more thing, this all thing you took, but you are not sleeping at night. No, that one is not good thing. You have to take the proper rest also. Only if you will follow those all the thing, you will become active and healthy. Yes, all day you have to be active in your school. Your friends, I think are they more active than you? If they are active than you, that means they are following these all the things. They are having their meal at particular time, at the same time, and they are exercising daily. They are listening their parents, and they are remaining clean, and they are taking the proper rest also. In this way, they are becoming active. So if you will follow, you also will become active. Yes, it is possible if you will follow, but you have to follow those things. So first we will learn about the posture, that means proper posture. Which one is that proper posture? Sometimes it happens we are doing like this. In this way you are standing. No, it is not good thing. Always you have to stand in maintaining proper posture. Your body posture. Yes, how it is possible? But just like that, you should be stand like the straight. That means your back should be straight, just like this. And one more thing, your head should be straight. Your head also should be straight while you are sitting or standing on that time. And we should keep our chest out and head high. Don't be like that. You have to be like that. Is it clear? And head high. Head should be like that. Is it clear? In this way, your posture should be clear. And one more thing, posture, I am saying about the posture the way a person holds his or her body. I have told you that how you will keep your body in the proper way. That one is a posture. So first thing, your back should be straight always. Whenever you are standing or whenever you are sitting, your back should be straight and your chest should be out and your head should be high. Is it clear? In this way you have to move. That one is the proper body posture. Is it clear? But what the food you have to have? Is it you have to take for being a healthy boy or healthy girl? So first thing, you have to fix a balanced diet. On that time you can be a healthy. To remain healthy, we should eat proper food and should follow these habits. Which habits? Eat a balanced diet. Balanced diet means already I have told you which things should be there, which foods. 3 kinds of food should be there. One is energy giving, next is the body building, and another one is, what is this one? Are you able to remember? That one is wheat. Foods are fighting against the diseases. Yes, in this way you will be a healthy person. Otherwise it is not possible. So what is your diet? That means what the food should be included in your diet. One, those foods, the energy giving food, the protecting food, and what is that one? The last one, the body building food. These all kind of food you have to eat daily. And one more thing, I have told you already, always avoid the junk food. Junk food means the French fries, the burgers, the pizzas. If you will have those food, then on that time those foods are not healthy. Those are the unhealthy food. So you may fall sick. And one more thing is there, never have the food from the outside. Is it? Because outside food means that one may not be covered. So that one you should not have, and avoid the overeating. Yes, sometimes it's happening. I want to eat more, give me more thing. Don't do these things. How much you want, how much is required, your mother will give. That much amount you should eat. And sometimes it happens you are having it, but that means you are having food but without chewing. Without chewing, simply you are grasping the food, but that one is not good thing. You should not grasp the food. You should have the food with proper chewing. Otherwise, you may face the digestion problems also. And you should always drink plenty of water. In this way, you can be healthy. And one more thing is there. Sometimes it happens that you are not eating. No, that one is also not good thing. On that time, your body won't have the immunity power. The immunity power of your body will be reduced. As a result of it, you may fall sick. So that one also you should not use. You should be a good child. So if you will follow this thing, that one will give you the proper food habit. And one more thing is there, we always should keep ourselves clean. Yes, you are having it, so whatever you need, that one is not sufficient. You have to have the clean also. You have to be clean, otherwise the different kind of disease will come. If you will follow some rule in this way, you can be neat and tidy. Yes, it is possible. Which rule? Let's see the rules. First thing, you should brush daily. You should brush your teeth. Yes, how many times? 2 times. I know that all of you are not doing. So many of you are not doing. While before going to bed, what are you doing? Simply you are sleeping. No, you should not. You should you should brush your teeth. And in this way, which time? One is at the morning and another one is at evening. Evening means night, before going to bed. These 2 times you should do, and take a bath every day and comb your hair daily. Yes, after having bath, you should comb your hair. Otherwise, you should face problem, because if you won't arrange them in proper way, you may face problem. Different disease may come. Is it? Next, wash your hands before and after every meal. Yes, whenever you want to have any meal, you should wash your hand. Don't say, I would have the meal with the spoon. No, if you have the meal with spoon also, you should wash, you should clean your hand. Otherwise, lots of germs are present inside your hand. So that may face our problem, that may cause different diseases also. Is it clear? And one more thing, trim your nails regularly. You know that the nails are increasing day by day, so you should trim them regularly, not like that daily. If your growth of the nail is less, then weekly you should do, and if it is more, on that time twice a week you should do. Is it clear? Next, we should wear clean clothes every day. Yes, whenever you are bathing, it's okay, but after bathing you should wear one clean cloth. Don't wear the cloth which one you wear the yesterday. Don't do this one, because that one it become dirty. Is it clear? Next, one more thing is there. Whatever the belongings you have, those also have to be clean. Otherwise, that one is also one problem. You are being clean, but surrounding you, what belongings you have, those, if those will become the dirty, then definitely again you will become dirty, isn't it? So those also should be clean, and it can be done if we keep our clothes clean and iron. Yes, your clothes you should clean it. That means regularly you should wash it and you should iron it. Don't try to iron. You should tell to your mother or your father or any elders. Is it clear? Because iron means that one is hot. It may burn your finger. So never go very near to an iron. Is it clear? And keep our toothbrush and comb clean. Yes, daily you are brushing your tooth. Is it? So that toothbrush also should be clean. In the month of 3-month interval, you should change your toothbrush. Yes, otherwise it may spread different kind of diseases. One more thing is there. Daily you are combing your hairs with the help of what? With the help of comb. So the comb also should be clear and clean. And always brush, comb and towel. You never share with anyone. Yes, because these are used in our different internal body portion, and the skin also is one kind of very personal thing. Is it? So you never should use, you should never share those things along the other. That means along with others. Sometimes it happens that brush, comb, towel, we share it. No, you should not. You never should do this one. Is it clear? Because of that reason, different kind of that what disease they have, those disease may come to you. So don't use, don't share. Is it clear? And one more thing, do not litter in and around the house. Yes, you the small child, what are you doing? You are littering your house. No, never you should do. Because if you will litter your house and around your house, on that case what is happening? You are getting dirty, again you will become dirty. So whatever may be, you never should do this thing. And one more thing, eat from your own plate, drink from your own glass. Eating, drinking, whatever you will do, whatever you will have the meal. So you should do with your own meal. That means own plate. Is it own glass? Use your own glass, use your own plate. That one is the good thing and correct thing also. Is it clear? So in this way you can keep your belongings clean and you will become healthy. Is it? And one more thing, after doing this all thing, is it sufficient to stay healthy? I don't think so. Because there are other rules also you have to follow. What rule? You have to take proper rest. Yes, you have to take proper rest, otherwise you can't become healthy. We should sleep for at least 8 hours daily. 8 hours. Is it clear? And good sleep refreshes our mind and body. Yes, if you will sleep, if you will observe even in the time of morning, you are become very fresh. Whenever you are going to school in the morning time, are you not feeling very fresh? Because you had the sleep for 8 hour, whatever hour, but minimum 8 hour you should have. Is it clear? In this way you can be healthy. And one more thing, that cover your mouth and nose with a hanky when you cough or sneeze. That means whenever you are coughing, sometimes it happens we are sneezing here and there, but on that time what you should do? You should cover your nose and mouth with the help of one hanky. Is it clear? So you should do this one. And the bath, you have to take bath every day. Yes, otherwise you will be a dirty child. Is it? So you have to take bath daily. And one more thing, keep in mind, without wasting water. Don't waste huge amount of water. Is it clear? Next, comb your hair and keep it tidy. Yes, I have told you that daily after having bath, you have to comb your hairs also. In this way, the hairs will be clean and tidy also. And keep your nails clean, trim them with a nail cutter. All of you know what is nail cutter, with the help of which we are trimming our nails. So what you have to do? You have to trim your nails and you have to keep them clean also. Is it clear? So if you will follow these all the things, you will be healthy. Next thing is about your health. What about the room? Keep your room clean also, otherwise you won't be healthy. You kept your belongings clean, you are now healthy, you are clean. But one thing, your room also you have to keep clean, otherwise again you will face problem. So first thing, put your toys back in place after playing. All of you are playing with your toys, so after playing you should place them in proper place, otherwise what happen? The room, that one will become dirty, isn't it? And the books, whatever books you need after studying, you should keep them in the same place from where you took. Another thing you have to do, that throw garbage in a dustbin. Yes, the garbage don't throw here and there. You should place them on the dustbin, inside the dustbin, not here and there. Is it clear? And sharpen your pencil in the dustbin. And sharpen your pencil in the dustbin. Yes, the small child like you, what you did actually, you were sharpening your pencil and you are spreading the removable things in here and there. No, don't do this thing. You should keep them into the dustbin only. Is it clear? And one more thing is there, proper meal. Already I have told you that you should take proper meal in your diet. Daily the three kind of food should be there: energy giving, protective, and the bodybuilding food should be present. And we should have 3 meals in a day, definitely not like that in a one time you are having those 3 kind of food and the other time you are not having. No, you should have 3 time meals, otherwise you may fall sick. Yes, you may fall sick. Next, and that one also time should be the fixed, not like that one day you are having your lunch at the time of 10 o'clock and one day you are having your lunch in the time of 3 o'clock. That one is not good thing. In the same time you should have your lunch or dinner or breakfast, whatever may be. So we should eat fresh and healthy food and bring vegetables, fruit, salad and milk. I have told you that those 3 kind of food you have to have. So see here, the green vegetables, that means the protective food, the fruits, that one is also protective food, the salad, that one is also protective food, milk, that one is bodybuilding food as well as the protecting food, and each and everything should be the fresh and clean. In this way you can be healthy. Now see here, tick the habits which keep you healthy. See here, Sunil brushes his teeth twice a day. Is it a good habit? Yes, it is a good habit. You should do brush 2 times, that means twice a day. Next, Mohan wakes up late every day. No, that one is not good thing. You should be an early riser. On that time, your mind will become fresh. Next, third one, Farhan plays after completing his homework. If you want to play, then that one you should complete first. So which one is the first priority? Your homework. First complete your homework, then go for the playing. Next one, Harsha always goes to school on time. Yes, you have to be punctual. After having your meal, you have to go to your school, and that one also should be on time. So in this way you can be a healthy child, and all of you complete the homework which I have given in your workbook and prepare well